to flip this bottle using this yarn and this yarn. So stay tuned to see how it's going to look. I'm going to finish it up with the pom-poms and all those things. So just stay tuned to see. So this is the final piece of work. I decided to try one on the roll of tissue, but I think it will need a little bit of work, but I like how the bottle came out and the strip of white. Oh wow, I love the color palette. Like lately I've been moving towards earth colors, brown shades of brown, and creams and all those, and I'm really liking how it's coming up. So I can use this as decor, and I'm going to do some pom-poms up there, up here, okay, there, yes, so that it can look like a final flower vase. Wow, look at the detail. Love it so much. Looks so beautiful. And all it took was a bottle of Fanta, the glass one, and some yarn and some glue. Okay, some glue. I used Uhu. Architecture students will know about Uhu. It is that glue that sticks everything, like makes everything sturdy. Okay.